Hello friends, Jason here, TheChartGuys, doing a follow-up to yesterday's video. We're going to do a real quick analysis, KIRK, NIO, and ZM. So we were looking yesterday for a little bit of weakness following the high at 760. We saw it open, we opened below that, we set a lower high on the hourly and started to see some pullback. So we didn't get a ton of pullback, we did establish a little bit of support here, but overall we just tightened up. We're now in the possibility of an hourly equilibrium, and we got a couple of key levels to watch. We can get rid of our big old squiggly line, but we basically got a double top at 740, and then we've got a nice little higher low to watch at 677. If we go to the daily time frame, that does set up a nice inside bar range for us. And on the 5-minute time frame, we did see an area of resistance here at 707, and we eventually saw a double bottom. In fact, it may be a triple bottom here, right below 689. So what is our actual level? 688. And then we saw the bulls come back and retake 707 without much follow through. So basically we're just going sideways at this point with an inside bar. So the bears are here, not yet strong enough to change the daily trend. We still have a couple of key supports to look for. So look for an inside bar bear break. See if we get any follow through on that. NIO on the daily time frame. So we saw big bread day yesterday. Today's candlestick knocked out a couple of key supports. So let's go right to the hourly time frame. These are the levels we were watching. We saw a break, but we didn't get much follow through. So what that tells me is the bears are not as strong as we anticipated. If we go back to that daily time frame, a lot of the momentum was used up yesterday. So it's interesting to see us basically stop the bleed here with a nice 5-minute oversold bounce right out of the gate. Almost a double bottom. You see that wick is hidden behind there, so not quite. And what's interesting and very key for us on the 15-minute time frame is now we have a nice area of resistance at 1349. I'm still going to be keeping a close eye on this area of support at 1294, but I'm also going to be looking for a loss of 1267. So bulls need to take out 1349 in a big way. Bears need to knock out 1294 and 1267 in order to set up a continuation in what so far is a strange little bear flag type situation. ZM, this one's interesting. We had that hourly downtrend, nice lower lows, lower highs. Bulls managed to get over top of the trend line, but even though we've just peaked above this 239.28, I would still consider this to be a double top. And it looks like bears are weakening a little bit here going into after hours. So we are outside the trend now. This opens up the door for a possible trend change. A trend change can either be sideways action or it can see upside action. We're not sure what we're going to get yet. But if bulls can break over 239.28, they're going to be in a good position. That will be an hourly trend change with an hourly higher low and higher high. And we will be looking for 4-hour moves with our next 4-hour resistance basically sitting up here, depending how you look at it, 253.60 or 249.88. And that's about it. Thanks for watching and good trades to you.